pardon me. Big hoes, ring phone, leather woman, giving courtesy, big buck, paying big currency.
Introduce yourself and then just decide where you're gonna start and then just start naming the parts.
What's up, guys? My name is Ben and this is my bike. Do a little bike check for you guys real quick. Starting off at the top, I got the Primo rebar bars. I think they're 9.5 rise. I think they were cut down to like 27 width. I got the S&M holder grips, Odyssey par ends. My stem, it's an Odyssey Boss stem. BSD headset, nice and smooth, you know, it's a regular headset. My forks, I believe they're volume Voyager forks or something. I'm not too sure. This is nice volume forks. My front wheel, it's an Odyssey Vandero Pro hub, laced to double wall Primo rims. And wrapped around that, I got the Donna Squeak tires, BSD, 2.4 in the front. My cranks, I believe these are Fit Indent cranks, 165. I got Primo JJ pedals. My bottom bracket, I think it's just a Primo bottom bracket. And then my sprocket is a Stranger Pentagram sprocket. I believe this one's 28.2. And then my seat, I'm not sure the exact name, I just know it's Shadow seat. It's comfortable, it's fat. Fit seat post. My back wheel is an Odyssey Clutch V2 free coaster. And I got that laced to a Primo double wall rim as well as in the front. And then for the tire, I got the same BSD Donna Squeak tire, 2.4 in the back. And then all around plastic hub guards and Stranger Zia pegs, 4.75. My chain, I think it's a Shadow Supreme chain. I'm not sure. I know it's a Shadow chain, half link. It's pretty strong. And then the main thing is the frame. It's a volume Voyager frame, I believe, 21 top tube, 12.75 in the rear end. Pretty short, good for spins and shit like that. Manuals. But yeah, that's my bike. It's pretty solid.
How much PSI do you run?
I think I run 35. I like to keep it right under 40, like 37. That's my favorite number, 37.
Anything you would like to change to? Like anything you're thinking of customizing?
As far as right now, no. I mean, I love the frame color, to be honest. Nothing really, honestly.
Well, what made you switch to longer frame?
Honestly, I don't know. Well, the rear end is shorter than the one I had. I have a 20.75 on my other bike, but the rear end was longer than this one. So I have a 21 top tube with a shorter rear end. So it kind of feels better with manuals and stuff like that, spins.
That was fucking clean. Woo, oh my god.
Hey. Got the gold dripping, I'm like a brown bitch. I don't give a shit.
That's a wrap, my guy. How do you feel?
I feel pretty great. Yeah. Finally on the channel and shit. So. We got Gerardo over here looking like a nurse and shit.
Oh god.
We all got the black mask on, squad up.
Tommy might hit too. Got them real figures like Decimals. You might need a tissue. Cooking the lab biochemical.